Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And few people asked me about my visa interview experience. I uploaded the biometrics experience, and in that comment section few asked me about my interview, and I'm here to tell about the experience of my interview. So by seeing the title you would have understood that my visa is rejected, right? So yeah, it's rejected, and I just want to give you the experience, like what I experienced in real. um so for that I'll just give you a small background story, like storyline. Like my visa interview was on December 2. So on December 1 there was a heavy rain, and the interviews in the December 1 it was cancelled. And on December 2 I didn't have any idea that whether it will get cancelled or not, because in Chennai there was a cyclone which was hitting, and the news was spreading, right? Yeah, if you are in Chennai or something, you'll know about it. So it was like that, and before one day I was also admitted in hospital. Not before one day, before 2-3 days I was admitted in hospital because I was suffering from typhoid and dengue. So, and I should get two injection per day, so morning and at night, through that cannula or something, that injection. And I was very hopeless, but I was confident that my interview will go good. Even though I was going through a lot, I went to attend the interview because I didn't know whether the climate will change totally, and even that interview will get cancelled or what. I didn't know anything, but even though I wanted to give my best, so I went. I took risk and I went. No one was willing to go to Chennai on those time because there was a cyclone, and there was also red alert or something. So the before one day, the flight, the train, everything was cancelled, and only on that day the train was not cancelled. So I went, and after I go there, at my interview was at 10:30 and I reached there by 8. So I was standing in line, and then we went inside. There was a big line. It was a huge line over there. Whole road was covered with people, and there was a huge line. So there I went, and they checked the documents. Everyone, they were checking just the passport and the service fees receipt. Only the passport and service fees, that only those two things they asked to keep in hand. Nothing else for F1 visa. Only the passport and service, and I-20 also should be kept in our hand. So they checked everything in that row, and they asked us to go inside. So one by one, slowly the line was moving. Slowly the line was moving. Slowly we were going inside. The doors were very heavy, and yeah, the push and pull were confusing in that door. Then we went inside, and the security, they checked everything. We have to keep all our documents, our watch, our cell phone, mobile phone, everything we have to keep at one side, and he will send us in line. And we followed it. Slowly the line was moving, and that's all. We waited for at least 8:30. I reached there at 8:30, and my turn came at 9:30. 1 hour I was standing in queue or something. And this is just an approximate. I didn't have watch at that time. I just removed it and kept inside my bag, and bag was also not allowed, just the file. And only service fees receipt, the I-20 and the passport, they asked us to keep in hand. And but everyone carried all other documents, because no one knew that what they will ask at that spot. That time what they will ask, we didn't know. So we carried everything in, was standing in that line. And there's nothing more to tell about my interview experience, because I did not experience much there, because my visa was rejected in just 30 seconds. I really don't know any reason. It was just rejected. So my turn came. Before me there was a family for tourist visa or something. It was accepted for them, tourist. So after that, families, tourist visa, that thing was approved. My turn came, and I went in. Not inside, I just stood in front of them, and they that visa officer asked me to pass the I-20 and passport. So I passed my I-20 and passport, and then she asked, which university are you going? And I told University of Bridgeport. Then after that there was a huge pause. That's all, nothing asked, only that one she asked. And there was a huge pause. After that, she was checking something in her system, and she was seeing something. And then she asked me to keep my 4 fingers on that fingerprint, that one. And I kept my 4 fingers, and I was really confused. Why is she not asking anything that I prepared? Like, I prepared a lot, right? So I just wanted chance to spill out my answers. Like, I prepared for what? I wanted to tell something, right? So I was expecting that she will ask something, but no, she did not ask me anything. She just asked which university, and that's it. After that, I told University of Bridgeport. Then a pause. Then that's all. The visa interview was over, and she gave me a form, and she told that, sorry, we can't approve your visa this time, and here's the reason for your rejection. And she gave me one paper. Now, I have seen a lot of YouTube video where they would say that my visa accepted in 30 seconds. Likewise, my visa rejected in 30 seconds. I could not understand what went wrong at that moment. I don't know, because if they asked something, if they would have asked some questions, and if I would have answered anything and then my visa was rejected, I would have been satisfied that they asked something. Maybe some answers went wrong by my side, that's why the visa has not been approved. So I would have been satisfied, but no, they did not ask anything. So I got like a trauma, like, or something, because I didn't get chance to spill out the answers which I prepared. Maybe the university selection was wrong or what, I don't know anything. So that was the experience. So many were asking that, well, how was your interview, what are the questions they asked. So I can't tell everyone that I got only one question and this happened, that happened. I can't be explaining to everyone, right? So I'm making this video. So if anyone asks me about my visa interview experience, I will just tell that I have uploaded in YouTube. You just go and see, because it was worst experience ever. And some people ask me whether I will apply again or not. Yeah, I will do it again, but not now. Let me first come out of this experience. Let me just forget this. I will reapply after 6 months or something, or maybe I will not reapply, or maybe I will do. I don't know, but not this time. So this is not. I'll just understand that this is not meant for me. So I did not get this chance. So yeah, that's it. And I'm not going to stop making YouTube videos, because I just started making it, so I'm loving it, because having just at least one or two interactions I'm getting in comment section, that's fine. I like it. So I'm going to continue making YouTube videos. It may be related to this visa or anything else, about anything, styling or something, maybe something, but I will continue making videos. So please do subscribe and like, comment, and share this video, and tell to your friends that even this can happen to you. Only one question, just one question, and rejected. Yeah, that much unlucky I am. And yeah, so anyone who was waiting for my interview experience video, you just told me in that video that you just commented that you're waiting for the experience video. So this is the video. Thank you so much, guys. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. And if you know that what went wrong in my interview by seeing this experience video, please comment. So anyone who's having visa interview nearby, all the best, do well. And if your visa got if your visa got accepted, I'll be so happy. Comment it. Okay, even if my visa is rejected, I want people who tell. I want to hear new stories from people who tell that my visa got accepted. I want to hear that. So the people who have commented in my last video, that biometric experience video, I'm waiting for your visa interview, and I'm waiting for your success stories. You can just comment it and let me know. Thank you, guys. I'm happy for your happiness. Okay, all the best to all the people who have visa interview nearby. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.